Today's video is going to be super quick. I posted my first IGTV episode today, Thursday, and ever since I started posting teasers on my Instagram story, I've been getting so many questions. I posted this picture of me holding my computer sideways to edit, and it was just kind of funny, but there is an easier way. I'm going to show you how to edit in Final Cut for Instagram TV or Instagram stories or any vertical format, and it's super easy. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're just going to go into create a new project in Final Cut, and you'll see that these are all my normal settings. It has whatever, like all of my standard settings set up here just to edit a vlog or whatever. What you're going to do is you're going to click on use custom settings, and right here where it says video 1080p, 1920, 1080, that's what you're going to need to change. So you're going to click on this right here, and you're going to click on custom. And then all you got to do is reverse 1080 times 1920 and press OK. Then we'll go ahead and import a couple of clips. And I'll just show what this looks like. And then you'll see they're like sideways now because what I actually did is I used my camera, I used my Canon G7X, and I just turned it on its side to record these clips. You could also just use a cell phone. If you record a cell phone in vertical version, they'll import correctly, but if you use a camera, it's going to be sideways. So what you'll do for that is you'll just click right here, click on transform, move this around 90 degrees, and then expand it to fill the frame. And then instead of having to do that again, you can press Command Copy, Command Shift V, and then you can copy the position and scale so then it plays normally. I'll just export this so you can see it. Now, if you don't have Final Cut, because I'm not sure that you can do this in iMovie, you can just edit the video sideways, which is a pain, but this is what it would look like if it was done sideways. So you can literally either move your screen or just move your head. I don't really recommend it, but you can do that. And then what I do is I use this app. It's called Rotate and Flip. So I would export it and then open up Rotate and Flip on my iPhone and flip it the right way. The reason that you wouldn't want to edit like this in like iMovie is because it's going to be too small, and when you export it, it's going to be really grainy because this isn't the right dimension. So you'll actually want to edit on its side if you don't have something like Final Cut where you can change the orientation of the edit. But since I have Final Cut, this is what it's going to look like.
Drink alcohol or do any drugs except for coffee. I'm like totally hooked.
And that's it. That's how you edit vertical videos for Instagram stories. It's honestly super easy. And then just remember to change your settings back when you edit a normal video. But otherwise, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to leave me a thumbs up if it was, and subscribe to this channel. I post videos like this all the time. And yeah, I uploaded my first IGTV the other day, so make sure to go check that out, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.